Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to review a popular and transformative memoirs, Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. This book has inspired many with its themes of self-discovery, spirituality and love. Let's dive into it. Eat, Pray, Love is a memoir that chronicles Elizabeth Gilbert's journey of self-discovery across Italy, India and Indonesia. After a painful divorce, Elizabeth embarks on a year-long trip to find herself. The book is divided into three sections: Eat, Pray and Love, each representing a different part of her journey. In the Eat section, Elizabeth travels to Italy, where she indulges in the country's rich culinary traditions. She immerses herself in the joy of eating, enjoying delicious food and learning to appreciate life's simple pleasures. This part of the book is filled with mouth-watering descriptions of Italian cuisine and the vibrant culture of Rome and Naples. I also enjoyed how she used many different sentences of Italian languages that you can learn while reading this book. Next, in the Pray section, Elizabeth heads to an ashram in India. Here, she seeks spiritual enlightenment and peace through meditation and prayer. This part of her journey is deeply introspective and focuses on her efforts to quiet her mind and connect with her inner self. It's a stark contrast to the indulgence of Italy, highlighting the importance of balance in one's life. Finally, in the Love section, Elizabeth travels to Bali, Indonesia, where she finds love and balance. She meets a diverse array of people who help her understand the importance of love and personal connections. This part of the book beautifully ties together the themes of self-discovery and personal growth, culminating a heartwarming conclusion. Eat, Pray, Love explores several key themes, including the search for identity, the importance of self-care, and the power of spirituality. Gilbert's writing is honest and engaging, allowing readers to connect with her experiences on a personal level. Her journey is a testament to the idea that taking time for oneself can lead to profound personal growth and fulfillment. Some of my favorite quotes from the book include, "You need to learn how to select your thoughts just the same way you select your clothes every day." Another one, "Ruin is a gift. Ruin is the road to transformation." These quotes encapsulate the essence of Gilbert's journey and offer valuable life lessons. While Eat, Pray, Love is widely praised, it's not without its criticisms. Some readers find Gilbert's privilege and ability to take a year off for self-discovery unrealistic. However, her story still resonates with many who are searching for meaning and purpose in their own lives. Overall, it's a beautifully written memoir that encourages readers to seek balance and happiness. I highly recommend Eat, Pray, Love to anyone looking for an inspiring and thought-provoking read. Whether you are at a crossroads in your life or simply enjoy memoirs that about personal growth, this book has something to offer to all of them. Thank you for joining me in this review of Eat, Pray, Love by Elizabeth Gilbert. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more book reviews and recommendations. Let me know in the comments if you have read this book.